look at that eyeball. That's a salsa eyeball. It's a salsa eyeball. Oh, hello. So, let's see. Here's what we are going to, oh, look at that. A new pea corner. A new pea corner that is not in a litter box. I'm glad Mommy is using her litter box. That's good. Oh, you are so silly. Oh, look at those two in the basket. So cute. All right. So, I know. Look at Mama. She's like a little bat stuck to the wall. Hi, Mama. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, I'm going to take this out for now. We've got some rearranging to do, don't we? Don't we, everybody? So, oh, look at Lindy being a good girl. It's not going to be long until they're up and over. But I have a playpen now. All right. Oh, I should get the vacuum. Oh. Yes, I should do the vacuum. Look at all your toys. So many toys. Where are you guys going? Where's everybody going? Should get the vacuum. Hey, Mommy. Ouch. Hey, Mama. Hey. I guess I can't really get it when the bunny is out there being bunny-like. Oh, Lindy. Oh my goodness, look at that, Lindy. Look at this scampy kitten. You're so scampy. Alright, alright, we're about to have a free-for-all, people. Foxy, what are you doing, buddy? Hmm? Oh, look at you, so brave sometimes. Yeah, so what should we do? This. Hey, Bubbles. Get to go potty, Bumble. You're so ferocious, Salsa. Alright, now I'm going to get the vacuum. What's going on here, baby? What you doing, Mambo? You're not gonna pee right there, are you? That would be very scary. Now, where did all my loot? I have so many litter boxes, and I don't know what I did with them. Oh, look at this guy. Oh. You're doing it, Mambo. That's right, you got it. You got it. Mambo's. Oh. Oh, the woe of a first poo or pee. You can do it. I know, it's so hard learning to go to the bathroom. You got it. First poo. Oh boy. You might need to clean up. Mambo is having her first big girl poo. Whoops, don't fall over. Is Mommy gonna attempt to, okay, oh, no, it's still, alright, it's still there. I'm gonna help you if you, oh, good girl, here, let's just, there we go, good job, you did it, Look, now Mommy will clean your bum. We get to clean up on aisle Mambo. What a good Mommy. There we go. See, now we don't get poo trails. Oh, you're such a good Mommy. You're such a good mama. Yes, you are. Now we won't have poo trails on the new carpet. Oh, I know, Mama. I'm trying to figure out a new, improved situation here. I think what I need to do most is find my stash of litter boxes, which is somewhere. I had so many that I found while we were packing. One more place. moved past the Royal Canin litter box. What you doing? Oh. It is utter chaos in here right now in my office. Alright, so that's why you don't see any kittens. Here, you can watch over here where I've piled everything. Seems to be a popular spot if you're a kitten. Getting into some trouble. Alright, toys. There. Alright. Alright. Probably not very nice to vacuum while Callie's in there. I guess we'll wait. Oh, are you done? Okay. Alright, kittens. Ready? Brave kittens. These are brave kittens who do not fear the vacuum. So brave. Oh, Hula Bell. Are you brave, Hula Bell? Sometimes. Alright, let's see. Let's see what's happened beneath the carpet. Oh, not so bad. Watch out, Hula Bell. Oh, there is some wetness though. Little scamp. No, we don't go in the closet. We don't go in the closet. That's not for kittens. Oh, oh, so brave sometimes. All right, so yes, there's going to have to be some. Well, I will have to deal with this. There are some wet spots on this rug, so that will have to be dealt with. So, more vacuuming. Hula, where are you going, Hula? Hula Bell. Foxy, You're looking so brave until I turn this on. You're probably not gonna like it. Right in the line of fire. Watch out, Foxy. I don't want to scare you too much. Oh my goodness. Watch out, Buggles. Oh, Buggles. Oh no. All right. Such brave kittens, sort of. Almost done. Okay, good job, team. Good job. Okay. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Oh my goodness, so brave, so brave. Hula! Are you so brave too? You're a little bit brave. You can't go in here. Not for Hulas. What, Foxy? Hi, Binders. Foxy. Oh, Foxy, you survived. You survived. Oh, good job. Okay, now. Tell me about it, Mama. Here, watch out. It's so much easier to move this if you're not standing on it. So much smaller than the old place. Okay, here we go. This needs to go somewhere. Yes. Watch out, buddy. Okay, I need this. Oops. Maybe what I should do is it went under here now? It's good. Okay. Very good. Oh, get it, Salsa. Okay. So now, of course, I have to vacuum again. You're such a scamp. Watch out. Okay. Okay. Alright. I have to do a little more vacuuming. Yes, I do. Where are you going? Whoa. Oh, that was nice. All right. Such brave kittens. Okay, clean at last. Okay, so. Now. I wonder if. Hi, Mama. That would be a disaster. Buggles, are you trapped, buddy? Did you get yourself trapped? Alright, so. Oh, Buggles. Have enough to do this. Oh, I think we are. Where are you going, Linderson? What are you doing? Little scamperoo. Okay. Jump-a-loose. Whoa. Good job, Rogers. Mambo. Good job, buddy. Alright, so it goes a little something like this. Okay, let's just see. Oh, it's a salsa. He got caught. Okay, where's my... You're so cute. Look, there's a little salsa for you to get. Oh look, there's a mirror, you can see me. Oh. Alright, maybe that's okay. Okay. There's some kittens for you. I'll get this part done. Something to cut with would be good. No, nothing. Mama. Mama. You know that there are scissors around here somewhere. I know it's there. Goodness, what happened? Oh. There are kittens everywhere in this room. Okay. Little salsa. All right. Making progress. Possibly this. Litter boxes, shall we? It's toad. Hey, Mambo. I know, Mama. Yeah. Who's squeaking? Mambo. Mambo, did you go potty? friends. All right, let's get your other litter box in here. And do you need to be up higher, do you think? Hard to say. Who's eating? Where did my tape go? Here we go. Alright. Alright, everybody. It's the Buggles. Which other kittens did we have in here? Mindy wants back in. That secured, stacked. Well, actually, this will help. All right, we're missing. Oh, I see them both. One of these, the two floofy juices. This is your litter box. That's where you go potty. And your food, where did all the food go? Okay, there we go. Clean bowl. What do you think, Mama? That's for your wet food. Some more food. Unauthorized peeing. So let's see. I guess I could put a box back there. If I could find another small one. That's a good idea. Do I have another small one somewhere? I probably do. But until I find it, this will have to do. Watch out, Linders. Oh. Oh, do you like that, Mommy? Whoa, everybody wants their kibble immediately. Oh my goodness, are you going to the bathroom right now? Oh, scampy. Very scampy. Okay, well, I guess that proves that theory right. Okay, well, it makes sense since that's where I had the litter box initially. Alright, I'm going to find, I guess I could put this box back over there for now. Good job. Good job. That's nice. Okay. Now what? Let's see. I'm just going to put that there for now. And hopefully we will have appropriate peeing. Question is, alright, I do one more snap box. What do you think? Alright, I need to find the other small litter box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kittens. Alright, what do we think of the new kitten playground? There's Mama up there. Now it's slightly difficult to maneuver. All right. Oh my goodness. What's going on up here? Scamperoos. All right. Okie dokie. Lindy. Hopefully no one will pee on the AstroTurf. Oh look, someone else used that box already. It's a very popular litter box. Maybe what I should put the smaller ones up here. Put the bigger one back there. Ooh. Not like I should have seen that coming a mile away. Ha 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 ha. All right. outfit to be rearranging cat areas in. Whoa, tilty. Okay. All right. Yeah. Now, I forgot. I forgot. Okay. Mommy likes to sit on the top of the new climbing apparatus. Oh, you're so adorable. What is this? What's this? Whoops. I guess I need to put some pants on, you guys. Sorry if I'm flashing you. Okay. Need some smushy food. Here we go, pants. Exciting to see them react to the AstroTurf. Alright, now for some toys. And yes, smushy foods. Let's put your little back over there. It's a bit challenging now to get around, but like that. Where is this thing clipped in? Ooh, honestly. Oh, Mommy likes the AstroTurf. Yeah, Mama? What do you think? I have to get Tiny Robot set up now. not lose these things. Okay. And that can go there. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Sort of. Slowly. Garbage. I need to put the litter box back. Look at Sex's thumb. Oh.